The JAK-STAT pathway, short for Janus kinase signal transducer and activator of transcription, is a vital signaling mechanism that cells use to respond to various extracellular molecules like cytokines and growth factors. Let's break down how this pathway works and its significance. First, a cytokine or growth factor binds to a specific cell surface receptor. This binding causes the receptor to dimerize, meaning it pairs up with another receptor of the same kind. This dimerization is the initial step that sets off the entire signaling cascade. Next, the receptor-associated Janus kinases, or JAKs, are activated. JAKs are a type of tyrosine kinase, which means they add phosphate groups to certain proteins. The activated JAKs then phosphorylate the receptor itself on specific tyrosine residues, further propagating the signal. Following this, signal transducer and activator of transcription, or STAT, proteins are recruited to the phosphorylated receptor. The JAKs then phosphorylate these STAT proteins on a specific tyrosine residue, preparing them for the next crucial step in the pathway. The phosphorylated STAT proteins then dimerize by binding to each other's SH2 domains, a region that recognizes phosphorylated tyrosine. This dimerization is essential for their function as transcription factors, enabling them to carry the signal forward. Once dimerized, the STAT proteins translocate to the cell nucleus. Here, they bind to specific DNA sequences in the promoters of target genes. This binding is a key step in translating the extracellular signal into a cellular response. In the nucleus, the STAT dimers activate the transcription of target genes. This leads to various cellular responses such as proliferation, differentiation, or immune responses, depending on the initial extracellular signal. Dysregulation of the JAK-STAT pathway can lead to diseases. For instance, constant activation of this pathway can result in uncontrolled cell growth, contributing to cancer. Abnormal JAK-STAT signaling can also lead to autoimmune diseases and inflammatory conditions. Given its crucial role, the JAK-STAT pathway is a significant therapeutic target. Drugs that inhibit JAKs, like ruxolitinib and tafasitamab, are used to treat certain types of cancers and autoimmune diseases by blocking this pathway, offering hope for many patients.